In the front panel, you have setting of temperature for upper plate, for example, 260. The lower plate set temperature 260, for example. And the test time for making buzzer for it's just an alarm for the test end time. That's all. For example, I'm setting it 40 minutes. This is the speed of movement of the hydraulic system. You can easily adjust from 0 to 100. And that's all. After setting the temperature for upper and lower heating plate, you can heat on. The system will start heating heating up the heating plates. And here you have also the graph for the temperature graph for the second plate, heating plate, and the pressure graph of the hydraulic system. You have the graph here, and when you start the test using this key, you will have the graphs showing you the trend of the temperature, two temperatures of the plate, and the pressure. That's all. Here you have the calibration page for the two temperature plate, setting the sensor for used for the two heating plates. It's K-type thermocouple. This is an offset for the temperature. For example, if the temperature is showing here you set 260, and the real temperature you measured via a calibrated device is, for example, 250, and you need to set -10 for offset value, like this, and it will reduce the temperature, the PV of the display for the heating plate, and the value will be adjusted and will be calibrated. I'm just putting it to 0. And here you have auto tune. This is not some keys for the operator using the machine. You have here language setting: Turkish, English. You have 3 languages here. That's all, very easy to use. And here you have also the saving to the USB flash disk. When you push, and here in the first page, you have general parameters of the sample. You are preparing the cooling type, operator, contract number, whatever you want, you can set it here. And after doing the test, you will need to click on Save Test. The last setting will be saved in the memory, and when you want to export USB, you can connect the USB disk to the display from the back side. Here, use USB flash disk, and just click on Export to USB. The data will be saved to USB flash disk. That's all, very easy to use. After waiting for something about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and the heating plates reach the set value, and the sample dried for some time. After that, you will turn the key for hydraulic system for upward, and using this knob you can adjust the pressure of the hydraulic system. When you open it, turn to left, and the pressure will be reduced. This is the maximum pressure of hydraulic system. You can adjust the pressure using this knob, this wheel. And after you move the bottom plate upward and you press the granules, you need at first to lock the pressure system using this handle, and after that you can turn off the hydraulic system movement. I mean, you need to put it in the middle, and when you want to move the bottom heating plate downward, you need to open this valve, unlock it, and then you can use this key. This is for movement of the hydraulic system. This is yeah. Again, Please be noted about the movement of the hydraulic system. The bottom heating plate just moved using this key. This is moving upward and downward, the bottom heating plate, and the speed can be adjusted using this key. This is the speed of movement for the hydraulic cylinder. And when you pressed the material after drying stage, you pressed it, you turn the key to right, and you turn the key to right and press the material granules, and reaching the set pressure. The set pressure will be done using this valve. You can reduce the pressure and increase the pressure when turning the right to the valve to right side. This is release valve. You need to lock the pressure after pressing the material. Just lock the pressure and put the key in the middle position. And when you want to move the bottom heating plate to downside, you need to open this valve, unlock the valve like this, and then you can use again these up and down keys. Yeah, it's easy to use, very easy to use. And this is AHP hot press for preparing the samples from granules. And you can also use any type of molds inside these heating plates. It depends on the operator and the customer need, the customer demand. You can put any kind of molds inside these two heating plates. That's all. Thank you.